up, guys? I'm the Queensters1. Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be doing funny ringtones, and we have Tristan the Ooper too in the background, and the Queensters1, aka me.
Hi.
And anyway,
I had 500 views today.
Yep. Okay. And anyway, today we're gonna do like on this app we have like 108 ringtones, and also please don't copyright. I'm sorry if one of these are yours, but we're just doing a nice video because we don't know.
It's just funny. Okay?
It's just supposed to be funny. So here.
Crazy Mexicans.
So we're gonna start out with crazy Mexicans. So you guys are gonna see our reactions of this.
Yeah.
Comment down below what do you think about one, and which one was your favorite. Okay.
Go. Drunk Batman. Is that Mario?
Oh my guacamole!
Is that Mario? That sounds kind of like
You don't need to
Mario.
shout. Okay, let's get on with this. Drunk Batman.
Yeah.
This is Drunk Batman.
You have 937 messages.
We're eating bacon pancakes.
Bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes.
Hey, bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes.
Bacon pancakes,
Make bacon pancakes.
bacon pancakes.
No, go see
Let's do
first.
crazy chicken. Sorry if this is yours, don't copyright.
No.
Oh wait, this is from Normal Elevator on Roblox.
No, it's not. It's from a bunch of Roblox games. Ooh, dude, someone's calling. Please pick up the phone.
Okay.
What the heck?
I like this.
Yeah. Singing Indian.
Incoming call from the White House.
Wait.
Bring, bring.
Pulp
What do you think
Fiction.
I'm doing this for my...
Wait. Okay. Hold on. No, da.
Da-da-da-da-da.
I like this. Okay, let's do Pink Panther.
That's a reference to a show.
Oh, it's a spy. Like a wait.
Oh, wait.
Oi. Thanks.
Oi, thanks. Eric.
Air.
Oh. Dun.
Dun, dun.
Wait, let's get the telephone is ringing.
Is ringing.
That was weird.
Okay, Star Trek. No.
Where is it?
Number 94.
Captain, incoming message.
Let's see
Okay,
Chewbacca's now.
answers.
What about Yoda's message?
Okay, do it.
Message from the dark.
Message from the dark side.
Okay.
I can do the voice.
Yahoo.
I don't
Do the
understand
first
what
ever one. Old phone.
Wait.
Marge Simpson.
Honey, your phone is ringing. You should answer it.
Oh, Master, I have a mail for you.
Master, I have mail for you.
It's just a call.
It's just a call. It's all good.
Okay, yo, pick up your phone. Okay,
Yo, pick up the phone. Holla at the boy.
call on line 1.
I got a friend.
I got a friend. My friend's calling me. Yeah.
It's a geezer. Pick it up.
My friend likes me.
Hey, mate. It's a geezer calling on the other end of the phone.
Australian accent.
Yeah. Iris, my mobile ting's ringing.
Oh, feck. Me mobile king is ringing.
No, mobile.
Wait, Iris, will you answer your phone?
Wait.
Note to self, always answer the phone with a smile and be nice to people because they will be nice to you.
That doesn't always work. Sir, I have something to ask you. That never works all the time.
Okay, Iris, will you answer your phone?
Michael, will you answer your phone before you...
Yes, Lottie, I will answer my phone.
Jacksepticeye is calling.
What the heck is frog? Wait,
Funky
cartoonish snoring.
Funky late night drive.
No. You got mail, it's probably garbage.
You've got mail, and it's probably garbage.
Excuse you, sir.
Beep beep.
May I excuse you, sir? Your telephone is ringing.
Family.
Drunk captain.
Sir Captain, rainy weather conditions.
Sir Captain speaking. Weather conditions right now very rainy, and windy out there now.
What the heck? wait.
Trumpet.
Beep.
Hello, BBC.
Wait. Family Guy answering
You
Mr. Bean.
have 113 new messages.
Oh my.
Wait.
The
Elbow.
boy.
Rodney, answer that phone. You
Coca-Cola.
You know.
Coca-Cola.
Yeah, nah.
Da.
Yeah.
Wait, what's banana phone? What the heck am I listening to?
Wait. Charge your battery.
Da. Sounds like a video game music. Don't shout though. Just
Yeah. Cheeky caller. Hold on, I gotta be right back.
Okay, guys, well, he's here. Oh, wait, what's game over
Mario!
for Mario? Get off your butt. Wait, hold on. Hello, can you hear me? Wait, the Simpsons funny version, Tristan. Simpsons funny version.
Okay.
The Simpsons funny version. Here,
What?
I thought it over. This is the Simpsons funny version. Sim-
Wait, get off your butt and get that phone.
Where is it?
Wait, get out of that bed, you lazy little.
No.
On the telephone, get off butt and get that phone.
That sounds like a cowboy
Oh
song.
god, wacky clown. No, like, funny priest.
Funny priest.
And I'm telling you people, if you pick up the
Wacky clown.
Before it was boring. Now someone is calling. Before it was
What
boring.
the heck?
No.
Stop
Funky
shouting.
lane I drive.
Stop shouting. Nah. Stop shouting. Wait, game show host.
Answer the phone in the next 3 seconds. You could win a brand new convertible.
Convertible. Oh, so exciting.
Yeah, it's for you, Grinjo.
Where?
Right there, number 39.
You know why that is? That's right. It's the phone for you, gringo. And you better answer it.
I like that.
Wait.
Oh, by the way,
game
look
show.
how long your video's been going on for.
We're gonna do a couple more.
I'm gonna send the boys around.
Wait, Disco Hawk. No, Dirty Harry.
I know what you're thinking. Do I?
No. Wait. Ben. Pick up the phone. Look,
Pick up the phone.
Look who's number 4, guys. Look at it. Oh, pick up the phone.
Pick up the phone.
A real pimp.
Who handles his business.
Wait.
What?
Until.
Pick up the phone, darling. Really, could you pick it up quickly?
Yeah, can you pick up the phone, please?
For those around you who are trying to sleep or read or whatever they're doing.
Bring me good news. I don't even know the.
I like that. That'd be the end of the
Wait,
video.
number 4 again. The phone.
Phone. Pick up the phone. Pick up the phone. I like that.
I'm gonna end it. After one more jump pattern. Stop.
Yeah.
Da.
Da 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 da. Anyway, that should do it.
Wait.
Cheeky. You've got a man on.
Okay, that should be it.
Da.
Do.
This is a good ending.
Can we end the video now?
Okay. Well, sadly, guys, that was the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Also, make sure you charge your batteries like it says right there.
Yeah.
And go to bed. Do not stay up too late if it's the weekend or if it's
No,
a school
dude,
night,
stay up
people.
too late. Stay up too late.
We're joking. Well, you guys need to stay up as late as possible without getting your parents to know.
Oh, shut up.
Life tips by the Queen Suits 1 and the Tristan the
No.
Uber 2. Just
yeah,
don't tell your parents it was us, okay? Okay, well, guys, sadly, that was the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and see you guys in another video. Make sure you subscribe, press the notification bell, comment down below which one was your favorite, and which do you want us to do another one of these videos. Bye! See you guys later.